with sound. Fill up sand and gravel. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The crossing gate is closed. We have to wait for the train to pass. Choose the next game. Tap on the car wash to wash the vehicle. Let's wash. Dumper. Run the washer over the machine and clean up the rest of the foam. Run the washer over the machine and clean up the rest of the foam. Don't stop! Hooray! Build your own vehicle park. Drag the vehicle to the correct place.